This is DAB pumps. How can you tell how much flow your EsyBox Mini 3 has delivered since it was installed? You can do this by accessing the user menu by pressing the mode button once and then pressing and releasing the mode button until you get to the delivered flow menu. This will show you total and partial delivered flow. This is somewhat similar to an odometer in that the total flow will show you the amount of flow delivered since the pump was installed, but you can reset the partial flow much like a trip odometer. You do this by holding down the down arrow button until the partial flow shows 0 gallons. You can then come back in an hour, a day, a week, a month, or any period of time and see how much flow your pump has delivered in that time period by accessing this menu again. When you're finished, press the set button to go back to the main screen. Thank you for watching.